So recently, I discovered that one Pi coin was sold for 100 naira in Nigeria. If you convert that to dollar, that's less than 2 cents. When you go to CoinMarketCap, it is sold for $18 at the point of making this video. Although it is not the real Pi coin, but just an IOU, which means I owe you token. So this might not be the real price of the Pi coin when it launches. I was curious to find out the real price of the Pi coin when it gets listed on exchanges. So I decided to hear the opinion of others on social media platforms. The first group said $1, the second group said $100, and the final group said above $1,000. Now, I was much more confused because we have 5 prices of the Pi coin based on speculations of people. The question now is, what is going to be the real price of the Pi coin when it gets listed on exchanges? This is what I'm going to talk about in this video, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel right now. That said, let's get to the video. To find out the real price of the Pi coin, we need to understand the concept of tokenomics. So what is tokenomics? Tokenomics is comprised of 2 words, token and economics. Simply put, the economics of a token. The price of a coin is determined by demand and supply. So the higher the demand, the higher the price. Some of the most important things to note about tokenomics include 1. Circulating supply. This is the amount of coins that are circulating in the market and are tradable by the public. 2. Total supply. This is the amount of coins that have already been created minus any coin that have been burned. Burning simply means removing some coins out of circulation. 3. Max supply. This is the maximum number of coins coded to exist in the lifetime of a cryptocurrency. 4. The current price of the coin. Now you understand tokenomics. Let's see if the Pi coins have all of these, and then we can use this to find out what the price of the Pi coin will be when it gets listed. The first one is circulating supply. At the moment, Pi has no circulating supply. The second one is total supply. At the moment, Pi coin has no total supply. The third one is max supply. At the point of making this video, Pi coin has no max supply. And the final one is current price. According to research, Pi coin has no real price for now. All of these are unavailable because the Pi team has refused to come out and give an oversight of their tokenomics. Now, since the Pi coin doesn't have the tokenomics at the moment, it means it's going to be very difficult to find out what the real price of the Pi coin will be. But there's one more option, and that is the mining rate of the Pi coin. When Pi Network first launched, the base mining rate stood at 1.6 Pi per hour, which went down to 0.8 Pi per hour. Immediately they had up to 100,000 users signed up for the platform. Also, when they got to 1 million users, another halving took place, which reduced the mining rate to 0.4 Pi per hour. And now recently, it has been reduced to 0.2 Pi per hour when each user base increased to about 10 million users. The best statistics we can use to analyze this is if there are over 29 million active Pi Network users, according to the Pi Network team, that are mining for a current rate of 0.4 Pi per hour. That means there's 278.4 million coins being mined every day. When you multiply this by 365 days, that's over 101 billion tokens yearly. Now, we're not putting into consideration referrals and all of those programs. This is actually an insane supply when you multiply this by 5 years or more. If this is the true tokenomics of the Pi coin when it launches, then forget it. Pi coin will never come close to $1 because where are they going to get the money to pay everyone? But this is just assumption, and I don't know if this is going to be right or wrong, but time will actually tell. I also believe that the Pi team are putting this into consideration, and they might be planning ways to reduce the total supply of this coin, thereby increasing the value of their coin when it launches. So what's my advice? Well, since it is free money, I will encourage everyone to keep mining. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Remember that none of this is a piece of financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important. That said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.